Alright guys, your boy Bullet here, back again in the shop. Getting these ready to go. Got the green car finished up. We're going to send her home tomorrow morning. They're going to come pick her up. So got everything done. All the checks out. No more leaks. No more nothing. Tunes in it. So she's ready to go. This is just a little list right here of what we did to this car. So new radiator. Took all the cooling system out. There's the old block. All the AC stuff. We put a new blower on it, new tune in the car, all the AC stuff, new fuel pumps. If you've been following the channel, you've seen those. And then we just freshened her up a little bit, you know, gave her a little wipe down. I did a little body touch up here and there with some paint. I had this dash, all the interior out of this car, so that is all gauges back in there working great. Everything's going good. Hopefully the customer will be happy, so he'll come pick her up tomorrow. I'm excited. So he gets to take her and have fun with it. So hope everybody's having a great day. You know me, I'm in the shop having a great day. It's like a kid in a candy store for me. But she's all been ran, got the break-in oil in it. Everything's good to go. So can't wait for her to come and get it and start working on the next one. So hope you guys enjoyed this build. I have more to come. And like always guys, peace.